Let's start by discussing the importance of user testing in the website development process. User testing involves gathering feedback from actual users to identify areas for improvement. It helps to ensure that the website meets the needs and expectations of the target audience. User testing can reveal usability issues that may not be readily apparent to designers or developers. At Conspirators, we emphasize the importance of user testing to create websites that provide an optimal user experience. So user testing is also crucial for identifying any potential accessibility issues. It can help reduce the risk of developing features or content that don't meet user needs. User testing ultimately results in higher user satisfaction and increased conversions. It's a cost-effective way to identify and fix issues before they become more expensive to resolve. Conspirators has a proven track record of conducting successful user tests that lead to improved website performance. Now let's look at the different types of user testing that one can conduct. So one common type is usability testing, where users are observed completing specific tasks on a website. A/B testing involves comparing two versions of a web page to see which performs better. Surveys and interviews can also be used to gather feedback from users. Co-conspirators can help choose the right type of user testing for a website. Card sorting is another useful type of user testing for organizing website content. Tree testing can be used to assess the findability of topics in a website's menu structure. First click testing helps to evaluate the initial steps that a user takes when interacting with the website. And session recording and heat maps provide valuable insights into user behavior on a website. Co-Conspirators has the tools and expertise to conduct a variety of user tests to optimize a website. Next, let's dive into how to conduct user testing for a website. We're going to want to start by defining clear objectives and what we want to learn from the testing. We'll want to recruit participants who represent a target audience and then create a testing environment that replicates real-world usage as closely as possible. Co-Conspirators has the expertise to guide through the user testing process. It's important to analyze the results of user testing and identify key trends and insights. We'll want to make necessary changes based on the feedback and then retest to ensure that the issues have been resolved. User testing should be an ongoing process that continues throughout the website's lifecycle. We want to be sure to communicate the changes made as a result of user testing to the participants and the stakeholders. Co-Conspirators will work with you to implement the changes and continuously improve your website. Now let's explore the principles of good QA in website development. So QA involves testing the website to ensure it meets quality standards and is free from defects. A comprehensive QA process includes functional testing, performance testing, and of course, security testing. So we want to regularly update and improve the website based on the results of QA testing. Co-Conspirators follows best practices in QA to deliver high-quality websites to our clients. A good QA process also includes cross-browser testing to ensure compatibility. Performance testing is also essential to assess the website's load times and responsiveness. And of course, security testing helps to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities and threats. We want to regularly update the website based on the findings of QA testing to maintain high standards. At Co-Conspirators, we pride ourselves on our meticulous QA process that ensures that a website is reliable, secure, and performs optimally. Okay, last, let's look at some tools you can use for user testing and QA. So for user testing, tools like User Testing, Lookback, and Optimal Workshop can be used. For QA, Selenium, Jira, and TestRail are popular options. So the right tools can streamline the testing process and provide valuable insights. Co-Conspirators uses the latest tools and technologies to conduct user testing and QA, ensuring your website meets the highest standards. So the right tools will save time and resources and provide more accurate results. It's important to train your team on how to use these tools effectively. We're going to want to regularly review and update the tools used for user testing and QA to keep up with industry standards. Integrating user testing and QA tools into your workflow can streamline the process and make it more efficient. Co-Conspirators leverages the best tools in the industry to conduct user testing and QA, ensuring that your website meets the highest standards of quality and performance.